here today at the job site this morning with a brick house, an older house. One of the trickiest parts for an addition project is matching the brick. When the house was under contract and before we had even officially purchased it, my contact from the local brick showroom came out and kind of gave me two options of bricks that would match the existing brick, and they were really good. Usually we're not that lucky, so it can be a much trickier process. But the brick that I selected is a custom order brick. It's not something they have in stock. So the next step of the process is, now that we have the footings poured, the masons are ready to start brick. So they have ordered in samples, I guess, from like the current lot of brick. So not just did I check the sample board in the beginning, but now I'm checking the actual brick that will be mailed in. So they've sent two little sample packs here, and I'm checking it on site. And I'm just checking it in the back because this is where it's going, and I don't know if the brick might be faded or something in the front. That might just be my method. I'm looking at it here and it still looks great, so I think we're a go. I'm gonna leave it here for the mason to see as well, just to get another set of eyes on it. But that's the process, and now we're gonna have to wait another week for this to get here. So it's just rush, 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 because every minute counts. We don't have anywhere to live pretty soon, so this thing's gotta happen fast. So I don't wanna hold up and have the project on pause while we're waiting for brick to come in. Brick selection 101, check. So we had some drama yesterday. I wish we'd been filming live, or maybe not, because you would have seen my blood boiling. Basically what happened is the architectural plans and the engineered set of plans from the engineer's office suddenly didn't match. And what had happened is the engineer drew the footing, the foundation plan at 17 feet 10 inches in this one area for a patio instead of 7 feet 10 inches. So at any rate, we caught it like right before they were going to pour the concrete. So we were able to really quick, like everybody stopped everything they were doing. Landscape architect was over here, everybody was over here, redig the footings and get it correct so it matches the architectural and the landscape plans. And then the concrete truck came 30 minutes later and poured. So we got really lucky. It's not going to affect permitting because the engineer did go ahead and give us a sealed letter, because I was nervous that we were going to have to resubmit for permits, since it was going to be different than the engineered set that we had permits on, and that would have been a 3-week process. Lesson learned here is, I mean, you really do have to just continue to check. Even when you have the best team, these mistakes can happen, and it would have been really bad, and we would have had to completely redo the landscape plan. I would have lost these like symmetrical knot gardens that are really special to me and something that I really want here on the project, because that footing would have been in the way and we wouldn't be able to grow plants there, even if we hadn't filled the patio out all the way through the footing. Anyway, problem solved yesterday, but you can see here kind of the outline of the new kitchen. Then it bumps out, and that's the outline of the patio. And then the next bump out is the covered porch. And then down on the other side, it kind of goes past the ladies' lounge, because we're gonna go ahead and just put a new terrace and stairs off that space as well.